This is the computer workshop, but I cleaned it up. I'll go over everything. My dad sells stuff on eBay, so he takes pictures over here. Used to be just a towel, which is now right there, but I put a new sheet up and better lighting. You know, I'll keep that on. My dad's tools, cleaning stuff, wrench, tape, other packing stuff. It's the extension cable that goes to that lamp. This is where my dad weighs it. If it's really heavy, it's right here. It's like a shipping scale. Be precise. And I dropped that, whatever. There's cables over here. There's Xbox power supplies. This is PC power, I think. USB, console video. This is a barrel jack connectors. That's HDMI. Proprietary / junk cables. Paint over here. Cardboard covering the window because, yeah, more boxes of stuff and other stuff. Bag, cardboard on the ceiling because there's holes right there. Big one right there. More junk, sound cards, RAM, modems. It's just a big pile of junk that I have to take apart to sell and scrap and stuff. You know, that's where the books are. Mice and stuff. Bags, drill, screws, and other stuff. Computer monitors that do work, and this is all just computer cases and other scrap metal. This is the back of a TV, 2 of them actually. That's the screen of a TV, that's the screen of a TV. That's plastic. You can see my legs. Chair right here. There's power supplies and stuff right there. Water, because you stay hydrated. Trash. And you know. That's the entirety of the computer workshop. It looked way worse before. Yeah, under there's just stuff. Bunch of random cardboard. Because my dad has to cut up boxes and stuff. Here's something he has to ship. Thanks for watching. Bye.